أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين وهو خير ناصر ومعين. أما بعد, short saying of Imam Ali alayhi salam. He says, يأتي على الناس زمان لا يبقى فيهم من القرآن إلا رسمه. Honorable and respectable listeners, inshallah today I'll talk on same previous topic, merits of reciting the Quran and status of Quranic memorizers. Imam Ali alayhi salam says in Nahj al-Balagha, يأتي على الناس زمان. Certainly a time will come on the people, لا يبقى فيهم من القرآن إلا رسمه, when only traces of the Holy Quran will be left among them. Imam Ali alayhi salam is describing and saying for reciters, the reciters should think about recitation, the memorizers should think about the recitation. When the reciters should think about recitation, he will get more good deeds and grace from Almighty Allah, and he will try to act according to order of the Holy Quran and according to order of Almighty Allah. So it's also necessary for us that we should try to think and ponder about recitation. When we'll recite the Holy Quran and we'll read the Holy Quran, especially in the month of Holy Ramdaan, we should think about the recitation, about the verses of the Holy Quran. Then inshallah we'll get more good deeds and virtues and more grace from Almighty Allah, and we'll try to act according to order of Almighty Allah. And in other place, Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam narrated from the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He says, "Alaykum bi tilawati al-Quran." Recite the Quran. Alaykum bi tilawati al-Quran. Recite the Quran. فَإِنَّ دَرَجَاتِ الْجَنَّةِ عَلَى عَدَدِ آيَاتِ الْقُرْآنِ. Subhanallah. Why recite the Quran? Because the levels in heaven are equivalent in number to the verses of the Holy Quran. فَإِذَا كَانَ يَوْمُ الْقِيَامَةِ, on the day of judgment, يُقَالُ لِقَارِئِ الْقُرْآنِ, on the day of judgment, the reciters of the Holy Quran will be told, اقرأ وارقي, read and elevate your level. Read and elevate your level. فَكُلَّمَا قَرَأَ آيَةً رَقِيَ دَرَجَةً. When recites one verse, he will be elevate a level. So according to figures of verses of the Holy Quran, according to numbers of verses of the Holy Quran, we can elevate our level in a heaven, especially in the month of Ramzan, when we'll recite the whole Quran. And according to figures, there are 6,666 verses of the Holy Quran. When we complete whole Quran, inshallah we'll elevate our levels in Jannah, in heaven. And in other place, Imam Ali alayhi salam says, "Ta'allam al-Quran, seek the knowledge of Quran, learn the knowledge of Quran, فَإِنَّهُ أَحْسَنُ الْحَدِيثِ, because it is the best word available. وَتَفَقَّهُ فِيهِ, ponder and think about it." Imam Ali alayhi salam stressed and says, ponder and think about the recitation, about the verses of the Holy Quran. فَإِنَّهُ رَبِيعُ الْقُلُوبِ, because this brings happiness to your heart. This brings happiness. It means the recitations with thinking, with pondering, brings happiness in our heart. For reciters, it brings happiness and prosperities. And Imam Ali alayhi salam says, وَاسْتَشْفَعُ بِنُورِهِ, use its lights as care. فَإِنَّهُ شِفَاءُ الصُّدُورِ, as it heals the headache, illness of the heart. وَأَحْسَنُوا تِلَاوَتَهُ فَإِنَّهُ أَنْفَعُ الْقِصَصِ. Imam Ali alayhi salam says, recite in the best possible manner. أَحْسَنُوا وَأَحْسَنُوا تِلَاوَتَهُ. Recite in the best possible manners. فَإِنَّهُ أَنْفَعُ الْقِصَصِ. The stories mentioned here are better than any others. So according to stories, those are mentioned in the Holy Quran,